xVirally. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. xVirally, all-in-one social media marketing suite. Automate content posting across 20 platforms, search for trending content, create posts using our database of over 1 meter high-quality royalty-free images. Auto-reply to mentions, comments and messages. Group accounts by brands in the front-end version alone includes up to 10,000 posts per month. This is automated social media. But better. Drive unlimited free traffic from 20 different platforms in few clicks. xVirally is a social media management tool and traffic sucker that allows you to manage your social media account on 20 different social media platforms and also drive unlimited red-hot traffic from these 20 platforms in few clicks. See it in action. FRONTEND, xVirally Pro. Automate content creation and posting across 20 platforms, never been done before. Add unlimited accounts and group them by niches businesses. Access 1 meter royalty-free images and use the built-in rich post editor to make them pop. Plan and schedule up to 10,000 posts per month for 2 years. Never been done before. 100 MB storage included for images. Automate your messenger, comments and mentions replies for FB and IG. Access unlimited content with the built-in RSS aggregator, never been done before. Import content from Dropbox and search Twitter and Instagram for trending hashtags in your niche. Price: $37 for 2 years. Upsell 1, xVirally Elite. Access the Stream app, never seen before. The Stream app will show all of your social media activity in one easy-to-read place. Our built-in templates allow you to display quickly what's happening across YouTube, Google, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, and Tumblr. Access the FB Ads app, never seen before. Our built-in Facebook and Instagram ads dashboard not only allows you to automatically create ads using your scheduled posts, but you can also create labels so that your post ads follow whatever automated rules you set. This is FB and IG ads, but on autopilot, and they get more intelligent as time goes on. Next level stuff. Access the Advanced Planner. The Advanced Planner feature will allow users to schedule up to 1,000 automated social media posts across 20 platforms in just a few clicks, including advanced post recycling. Use our built-in rich post editor and our image editor to make either your own images or images from our 1 meter plus library stand out from the competition. Price: $37. Upsell 2, xVirally Agency. Ability to add team members. DFY PowerPoint Presentation Template. Professional DFY Proposal Template. Pro DFY Letterhead and Business Cards. DFY Email Sequence. DFY Professional Phone and In-Person Sales Script. High-Paying Clients Training. DFY Website ready to upload and use. Price: $47. Upsell 3. xVirally Reseller. Ability to resell Faye and Dodo 1. 50 accounts for $97. 150 accounts for $197. Huge profit potential as the user can resell up to 150 accounts whilst covering their investment with just 3 sales. This equates to $12,348 profit per buyer. xVirally Traffic Software. This software will help you drive traffic to your pages from 20 different social media platforms in just a few clicks. And it won't take you more than a few clicks to achieve this. See all the things you can achieve in a few clicks with the help of this software. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.